Hi everyone! Valentine's Day is around the corner, and today I'll be sharing with you some craft ideas that you could try on your own. Whether it's for your boyfriend, your partner, or girlfriends, the best gifts are the ones that come from the heart. In this video, I'll share with you 3 gift ideas that you could try making at home. So let's get creative. All of the items that we are making today will require a Cricut machine. I'm using the Cricut Joy and some of the smart materials that come with it. For the first item, we'll be making this Love You handmade card. Here are the tools and materials that you'll need. I found this project on Cricut Design Space, and it's just perfect for the person that I'm giving it to. I'm using the Cricut Joy insert cardstock. After inserting it into the Cricut card mat, simply slot it into the machine and let it do its work. The entire process is really quick and the cutout is so precise. Using the Whittle tool, I gently remove the cutout portion. This takes time, but the process is kind of fun and therapeutic. I guess the amount of time you take here depends largely on the complexity of your design as well. I'm placing a white cardstock underneath because I want the contrast to be significant. And I think that red goes really well with white as well. To ensure that everything is kept down and glued well, I use Cricut's scraper tool to gently smooth out the surface. And it's done! What do you think of this design? Let me know in the comments below. Next up, I'll be showing you how to make a personalized frame that's great for home decor. These are the tools and materials that we'll need. I first take a screenshot of my Spotify playlist and edit the design on Adobe Photoshop. Next, I import my design into Design Space and slot in a smart vinyl sheet into the Cricut machine. Simply wait and let the Cricut do its magic. Peeling this was a little tricky because the font that I used was very thin. And even though the machine could cut it well, I had some trouble peeling the small letters off. If you're gonna make this, my advice is to use a thicker font. I'm also using the transfer tape to transfer my design onto the glass of the frame. The scraper tool will be very helpful for you here. Now you really want to peel the transfer tape off slowly and gently at this stage. This is the photo that I'm using as our album cover. It was taken during our wedding, and I really love how we look here. It so happens that our first year wedding anniversary is in 2 weeks' time. I cut it to fit it into my frame better. Now all you have to do is to secure the picture, and it's done. Where do you think we should place this, on our TV console or on my dresser? Share with me some ideas. Lastly, here's a gift idea that you could make for your partner or your friends. When I was in school, my girlfriends and I loved getting Valentine's Day gifts for one another. This item is perfect because it's not only cute, but also very practical. Here are the tools and materials that you'll need. Simply use any empty jar and fill it with candies that your friend will enjoy. To up your game, you can use a Cricut machine to personalize a sticker and paste on it. I selected a simple design from Cricut Design Space. This app is very useful for people with little design skills. There are lots of templates and designs for you to choose from. I also cut out a few heart tags and tie it around the neck of the jar. And we are done! I hope you find these ideas useful and easy to do. You don't have to break the bank celebrating Valentine's Day. After all, the people who love you will always appreciate any gift that comes straight from your heart. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more art projects. Your love and support means everything to me.